Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Keith. If you're new to our channel, thanks for joining us. We are all about our journey, where we like to share our journey as we travel the country, different places, and we work camp. So we stay 4 to 6 months in one location where we work and enjoy the local scenery, the local everything, and share a little bit of that with you as we go. Get you a little taste of what it's like to kind of be a local in an area. So this summer, Amy and I are working in West Yellowstone, Montana, just outside the west gate of Yellowstone National Park. And we've had a great time. It's been a couple of weeks since we've taken you along anywhere we go. We've had a busy couple of weeks. We've had some visitors here in town, which we love. So my sister Pam got to come out, visit for a week. My niece Brittany and her family came up from Nampa, Idaho, and visited with us a little bit. And then last week, Amy's brother and his family were able to come up from Alabama, and they're spending some time here in West Yellowstone and then Grand Teton. So while they were here, we got to spend some time with them. So it was great to see family. So if any of you guys would like to come out, we would love to see you. Just come on, let us know. We will definitely meet you. So today, some of you know, within the past year, I had some knee replacement surgeries. And so one of the ways I've been trying to recover from that is to do a little bit of bike riding. And so I've been practicing and just to try to ride at least a little bit each day, a couple of miles. So today I'm actually here in West Yellowstone, and we are at the Shortline Trail. Shortline Trail used to be the railroad that brought people into West Yellowstone. First train into West Yellowstone was well over 100 years ago, but now they've turned that old railroad bed into a multi-use trail for biking, hiking, skateboarding, roller skating, all those things. There's non-motorized, so you can't take an e-bike or an ATV or side-by-side or anything like that on this trail. It's simply use your own power. So today I'm out on this trail. It's actually an 18-mile round trip from here. It's about a 9-mile trip out. Goes from West Yellowstone to the Idaho border. And so we're going to try that out today. There are several bridges that it crosses, some interpretive signs, and some of that kind of stuff. So I'm excited to get out there. So I'll show you a little bit of that as you come along with me. You notice from the sign here, it is a length of 9 miles. It's an easy trail. Grade is less than 1%. It's paved asphalt. It's a very easy trail. It does start here in the town of West Yellowstone, and it goes out, crosses the Idaho border, or to the Idaho border right at the Continental Divide. This is also bear country, so you'll want to have your bear spray as you go along. I do have that, and make a little noise as you go. And here's the trail. Let's go.
Ice hockey.
I made it to the end of the Shortline Trail out of West Yellowstone. Just made it to the Idaho border. As you saw the sign, I'm gonna go a little bit further on this trail, unpaved trail, make it to the Continental Divide, I think, see how far that is out there. But it's been a great ride. I've had about 270 feet of elevation change so it's pretty level. It just kind of follows the Madison River, part of the Madison River until it dried up. This time of year, this part of the river can dry. I read that on one of the signs, but it is flowing underground, that kind of thing. But the snow melt, all that kind of stuff keeps it flowing for most of the summer until late hot summer. We've had a hot few weeks. I mentioned earlier about my sister coming and Amy's brother and his family coming out here, and also some friends of ours from Somerville, from South Carolina. Bruce and Dawn Smith were out here a couple of weeks ago too, and they stopped and stayed in our campground, so it was great to catch up with them. So shout out to Bruce and Dawn and all the Somerville peeps out there. We miss you guys and love you, and it was great to see Bruce and Dawn. But I'm gonna go a little bit further here on this Continental Divide Trail, have a little snack, and then we're gonna do the 9 miles back to West Yellowstone. Thanks for coming along. That's a wrap on the 18-mile Shortline Trail, Yellowstone Shortline Trail. It's been a good ride. On the way back was a lot easier than even going. The wildlife on the trail. Today I did see an elk, a couple of, I really don't know what they were. They were almost like a beaver, but without the tail. I don't know if it was a muskrat or something like that. Lots of birds, lots of squirrels, chipmunks, all those good things. That's a wrap for all about our journey. This is Keith signing off. Like and share. If you like the video, like it and share it so other people, it helps other people find this kind of content. We'd love for anybody to join us. Thanks again for joining us. See you later. Bye.